Last week on Travel with Enock Jaqi, we took you on a room tour at Nile Village in Jinja. We went to Millennium Terrace Hotel and we talked more about yoga with the yoga expert. You are still watching your #1 travel show on Magic One TV. Travel with Enock Jaqi runs every Wednesday at 8:30 and repeats on Sunday at 5 p.m. You can also catch the show online on our YouTube channel, Travel with Enock Jaqi. My name is Enock Nsoboga, and the fun starts right now.
In our room tour this week, we visit Millennium Terrace Hotel on Plot 39, Bukoto Street, opposite Alliance Francaise. My name is Jaqi Dewey, and this is Travel with Enock and Jaqi. Millennium Terrace Hotel features accommodation with a restaurant, free private parking, a bar, and a terrace. The rooms at the hotel are fitted with a sitting area, a flat-screen TV, with satellite channels and private bathroom with free toiletries and a walk-in shower. The units at Millennium Terrace Hotel have air conditioning and a desk. Guests at the accommodation can enjoy a continental breakfast. So for me, the best thing about this room is absolutely the bed. It's definitely custom made when you look at the details, from the headboard and the warm lights on the headboard, the side tables. It's a whole complete set, but with a lot of detail on it. I also love the phone charging sockets and the phone right next to your bed, so you can easily call the reception in case you need anything. And the SC, the weather here is unpredictable. Sometimes it's too hot, sometimes you just need some SC. And this dressing mirror is to die for. Not only does it look cute, that it matches the bed and it has lights, and the moment you walk in, you're able to see yourself. I love these lights. And the bed is interesting in itself. I love the white linen. The white linen is absolutely classy, but also these printed cushions that match the rug. When you look at the pattern of the cushions, it's the same pattern on the flow rug, and that is very cute and classy. And this art piece above the headboard is to die for. It's actually the statement room in this whole room, because you see they kept it neutrals. There's wood touchings and lots of whites, and then this art piece is like the statement wall is like hello, you see it. And at the foot of the bed we have this end bench that I love. It's cute, it's still part of the bed, and you see it is not out of place, it is in sync with the rest of the room. The whole room is cohesive. And also we have a reading table with a red accent chair. Now this is where the pop of color comes in. Just one red accent chair and everything brightens up. And let's check out the bathroom. Wow, I love the corner shelf. It holds a cute soap dispenser. It's black, it's cute, it just blends with all the colors. And it has your shower gel, which is provided for free, by the way, expensive. And then, ladies, for your makeup, the magnifying mirror, it's right here in the bathroom. See, it can move, you can rotate it, you can turn it whichever side you want, but it's easy. It just brings you up close and you can have your makeup the way you want it, or you make sure that your face is in the right place, or maybe you want to pop up pimple, whatever it is you want to do. This is the perfect mirror. And now let's check out the toilet.
Before the toilet, in the same section, do you see that socket for us men who would like to shave?
Okay, so Enock just gave us some education on that electric shaver. It's all right here in the hotel. It comes with your room, comes with the room. We found all this stuff here. And I think the coolest thing about this toilet is being able to have a place to rest your phone or your bag as you do your business. Yeah?
Exactly.
Absolutely true.
Lovely. Stunning, isn't it? Still to come, our travel experience of the week, the people we meet, and our top place to eat this week. The birthplace of the mighty river Nile, or source of the Nile, is a point where the water spills out of Lake Victoria on its journey to the Mediterranean. Flowing fast from the get-go, it's estimated that no more than 5% of water here will end up in Egypt. There is a landmark identifying the source, and while here, we saw a small bar which can make for a nice place for a sunset beer. In recent times, the source has been traced anywhere from Rwanda to Burundi. But hey, that is a story for another day. This week we bring you our experience exploring the source by boat from Jinja Sailing Club.
You are most welcome. My name is Hassan. I work with the Sailing Club. This point is like a boundary of the lake and the river Nile. Down is the river Nile, and up there, that's the Lake Victoria. The water of the lake is a stagnant water. It's like the water in the basin. The water in the basin, anywhere, the winds can shake it. But here, the water of the river, there is no waves, and you can't find the waves because the water is flowing. That's why this point, it shows that this is like a boundary. And when you look at this point, another point, you see there is a point on the cement. This cement, the former president Idi Amin Dada is one who made these islands. This is a man-made island. He wanted to put a bridge, but unfortunately the program wasn't finished. That's why you see there is a cement on this point. If you reach on this point, you see the water is like coming down under the ground. So if we put something like a jerrycan or any floating things, it takes 90 days from this point up to Egypt.
Yoga has been a timeless practice and remains unchanged for centuries and provides benefits to its practitioners. Today we talk to a yoga expert who shares our experience. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enock Jaqi. Kindly introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, hello all of you. My name is Leah Ampaire. And I'm a Ugandan. I'm a yoga teacher and I love yoga, and that is why I've come to talk to you about yoga. Yoga basically is a practice is a work-in, is a practice of the mind, is a practice of the body and the soul. Yoga is almost a physical practice. Many people practice it for physical benefits, just like you go to the gym, just like you go to a dance class or Zumba or aerobics. But the difference is it is a practice to bring you balance, to bring you serenity, and to ground you.
So, how long have you been doing this? Okay.
So I have been practicing yoga for the past 6 to 7 years, and I started teaching close to 5 years ago.
So Leah, tell me, where did you pick this interest in yoga? Because it's not every day that you see anyone into this yoga business.
For me, up until 2014, I had never heard about of yoga before, until I met a stranger who talked me into it.
Okay.
And there was a class happening, and he invited me to attend this class, and I have never thought to not do my practice ever since that day.
Okay.
So I was just a student for somewhere around 2 years before I attended my first yoga teacher training.
Okay.
And I loved it. I loved it because it was a practice that helped me on a very unique journey of discovering myself of embracing me for who I am and for who I am not, for who I'm not. And I enjoyed it. So when I got the opportunity to be a teacher, I had to share this experience with as many people as I possibly could. And I have been so lucky to share this practice with many people, including very many Ugandans, because yoga is a practice that is not common, that is not famous in our country. But because of its physical and spiritual benefits, very many people have come to know about it, and very many people have been trained as teachers here in Uganda, so that people can get access to this practice, because it is very beneficial. If others are doing it and it is helping them, then we would also definitely need it.
So lastly, tell us more about your upcoming wellness retreat, the whole retreat about.
Okay, yeah, so we have an upcoming yoga retreat, yoga and swimming wellness retreat.
Okay.
And we are going to learn more about all these things that people always want to ask or people always want to know. And during my training, I had also asked some of these questions to my teachers, and they told me one thing: you always invite someone and then they know about something for themselves. So when you come to this retreat that we are holding the first weekend of June, that is when you're going to discover and have all these answers to the questions that you've always asked or you've always wanted to ask.
Okay.
Yeah, so I am inviting all of you, whoever is interested. You should be interested because it is interesting. You're very welcome. You're more than welcome to our upcoming yoga and wellness retreat at the Kipling Luxurious Lodge in Jinja.
Is that Kangaroo Mira?
Yeah, in Kangaroo Mira.
Yeah.
And you should come and live it for yourself.
So if someone is interested in registering for the retreat, what do they do?
Oh yeah. So in case you're interested in being a part of this experience, you are welcome to book your slot, or because we have very, very few slots available, you're very welcome to book your slots using our WhatsApp numbers running on the screen, and or contact us. Then you'll be given all the details or directed to how to join.
There you have it. Thank you, Leah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.
The Lawns Wild Game and Barbecue Restaurant is our top place to eat this week. Welcome to Travel with Enock and Jaqi. You're watching Magic One Television. Located on Plot 1-3 Coral Crescent, Lower Kololo, the Lawns blends the urban landscape and golf course views with lush green tropical garden. Famously known for game meats, this week we take you down memory lane to our visit before the lockdown. Watch.
Introducing you to that chef here, very popular guy in this town, Chef Singh, and you'll be meeting him in a bit, and he'll be showing us, I don't know what all this is, but he's going to teach you and I how to go home and prepare it. So Chef, how are you?
Okay, welcome to Lawns Kitchen.
Thank you.
I'm going to show you today different kind of game meat today.
Okay.
Game Serengeti plan, best popular dish.
Okay.
Okay, there are 4 different kind of meat. After a marinate meat,
Everything
1 week.
is marinated
Yes.
separately.
4 days before, I do vacuum. I have here vacuum bag.
Then it's vacuuming.
Yeah,
What is
that's-
that process of vacuuming? What happens?
That's good for your hygienic maintain, and your meat will look fresh and good taste.
Oh, so it
and
tastes like
marination
it's
will keep
fresh.
tender.
Let's start cooking.
Okay.
All right, so the chef has taken us through the cooking. You said these are salted vegetables. Is that how they say?
Yes, salted green
salted.
vegetable. This is good for your health. Okay.
How many minutes do you salt for?
This is just 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah, you
leave
just
all
saute
that greens in.
pan fried vegetables.
Okay, so these are fries.
This one
He
fries.
grilled the different meats.
Then now I'm going to put a chips, fries. There are two different kind of sauce.
Okay.
So
This is
red wine
Red
juice.
wine juice.
Okay, yes. This is a creamy peppercorn sauce. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put the heart beef.
This is beast meat.
What kind of fish?
Heart
This is wild red game meat.
blessed pork.
Yeah, this is black pork. This is water
Water
pork,
pork.
and this is crocodile. You can see there is all
Looks
looking
nice,
same, but
looks
is
nice.
different. Taste also very different. On
And that's it?
All yes, that's done.
So now we can go to the table and wait to be served.
Yes.
This is good. All right, guys. This was the Lawns, very fast place we have reviewed in top places to eat in Kampala. It's in Kololo, Lower Terrace, and it's been awesome. This meal was prepared by the assistant chef. His name is Danbil Singh, and he went all in. This is their favorite. It's called the Serengeti Platter, like the Serengeti Game Park, because they're about game meat, as in wild animals. If you want anything wild, something game, we're going into the holidays, you want to try out Kampala, abasama mumanyi okujja wano nga mutukubira amasimu tugendeko wa. Our friends and family members do ask us a lot, so we decided to come to Kampala and find out with you where the great food is, what is known for what, and I hope that you get to taste the game meat. The chef did show us how to prepare the meal. You might not get it as nice as he's done it, but at least you can come to the Lawns and have the experience yourself.
Thanks for watching, and special thanks to Jim Joel, photographer and safaris, Makizito Uganda, our logistics partners, the Val Guide, our publishing department, and for more travel content, please visit our website www.valguide.co.za. Cheers and see you next week.